Join me as I dive into the world of RKLB stock and take on the challenge of predicting what's next for investors. RKLB stock has been making waves lately, with many investors scrambling to get in on the action. But what's driving this sudden interest? RKLB's recent trends have been nothing short of impressive, with the stock experiencing significant growth over the past quarter. This surge has caught the attention of both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. So, what's behind this momentum? Is it due to the company's innovative approach, or perhaps its expanding market presence? Whatever the reason, one thing is clear: RKLB stock is a hot topic for discussion right now. One of the major challenges facing RKLB is market volatility. As with any stock, there are risks involved, and RKLB is no exception. The company must navigate fluctuating market conditions, which can impact investor confidence. Another challenge is competition. RKLB operates in a crowded industry, and standing out from the pack can be tough. Regulatory issues are also a concern, as changes in laws and policies can affect the company's operations. These challenges can be significant hurdles for RKLB to overcome. In addition to these challenges, RKLB is also dealing with increased competition from established players. This competition can make it difficult for the company to gain traction and expand its market share. Furthermore, regulatory issues can be a major headache, as noncompliance can result in significant fines and reputational damage. And let's not forget market volatility, which can impact investor confidence and make it difficult for the company to raise capital. All these challenges combined can make it tough for RKLB to achieve its goals. Recent news surrounding RKLB has been mixed, with the company releasing its latest earnings report. The numbers show a significant increase in revenue, but also a slight miss on earnings per share. Analysts have been weighing in on the stock, with some upgrading their ratings and others downgrading. Investor sentiment is also a key factor, with some investors bullish on the stock's prospects and others more cautious. Recent analyst ratings have been varied, with some analysts predicting significant growth for RKLB. Others are more skeptical, citing concerns over the company's ability to compete. Earnings reports have also been a focus, with investors closely watching RKLB's financial performance. And with investor sentiment shifting rapidly, it's clear that RKLB stock is one to watch. The earnings reports have shown that RKLB is making progress, but there are still concerns about its ability to sustain this growth. Some investors are optimistic about the company's prospects, while others are more cautious. Analyst ratings have been mixed, with some predicting significant growth and others citing concerns. All these factors combined make RKLB stock an interesting one to watch. So, what's the most critical insight regarding RKLB's future stock performance? Based on the data and analysis, it's clear that RKLB has significant potential for growth. However, there are also risks involved, and investors must be aware of these challenges. One key prediction is that RKLB will continue to experience significant growth, driven by its innovative approach and expanding market presence. However, market volatility and competition will be major hurdles to overcome. This prediction is based on a careful analysis of RKLB's financial performance and market trends. The company's recent earnings reports have shown significant growth, and its innovative approach has caught the attention of investors. However, there are also risks involved, and investors must be aware of these challenges. By understanding these factors, investors can make informed decisions about RKLB stock. In terms of future performance, RKLB's ability to navigate market volatility will be crucial. The company must also continue to innovate and expand its market presence. If it can achieve these goals, RKLB stock could be a major player in the industry. However, investors must also be aware of the potential risks involved. By carefully considering these factors, investors can make informed decisions about RKLB stock. The company's future performance will depend on its ability to overcome challenges and capitalize on opportunities. With careful analysis and a solid understanding of the market, investors can navigate the ups and downs of RKLB stock. To summarize, RKLB stock has been on a wild ride lately, with significant growth and challenges ahead. The company's innovative approach and expanding market presence make it an attractive option for investors. However, market volatility, competition, and regulatory issues are major concerns. What are your thoughts on RKLB stock? Have you invested in the company, or are you considering it? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in learning more about stock investing strategies, be sure to check out my previous video on the topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.